Thanks to the devices we use daily, such as smartphones, laptops, and Wi-Fi, we are surrounded by 100 million times more electromagnetic radiation than we were just 50 years ago. That's why we created SmartDOT, an EMF protection device which retunes the electromagnetic frequencies at its source, so each device is more comfortable and safe to use. Simply stick the dot on any device and then forget about it thanks to its thin and lightweight design. The SmartDOT will last indefinitely and is made with revolutionary quantum technology that is the gold standard in EMF harmonization. Place the dot on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, router, TVs, baby monitors, gaming monitors, or anything else to get maximum protection from radiation. Thousands are already enjoying the benefits of SmartDOT's rigorously and independently tested technology. Reduce the electromagnetic radiation surrounding you with SmartDOT.